Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change your Coinstats password. To change your Coinstats password, first of all, launch open the Coinstat application and log into your account. After you are logged in, tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, from the More button, tap on your username at the top of the screen. This will open up your profile section. Tap Change Password within the menu and on the next page, enter your current password in the first text box. Enter your current password that you are using for your Coinstats account. On the next field, enter a new password you are trying to change to. In the Re-enter Password text box, re-enter the new password once again. Finally, click on Save at the bottom and you will then be able to change your password for your Coinstats account. That is how you change your password in Coinstats. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.